Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by verifying essentials: Netflix active, iPhone updated, and a trustworthy VPN subscription. This saves time and avoids region lock surprises. Open the App Store, install the VPN app, and sign in with your VPN credentials. Make sure you grant required permissions. Once done, choose a nearby server in the country whose Netflix library you want. This first setup matters because a stable, low-latency server reduces buffering and detection risk. Now you configure for streaming performance. Open the VPN app and install the VPN profile when prompted so iOS routes traffic correctly. Pick a server in the target country, preferring WireGuard or IKEv2 for faster throughput and lower packet loss. This matters for HD playback. Once connected, clear Safari/Netflix app cache or force close the Netflix app, then reopen. Doing this ensures Netflix sees the VPN-assigned IP. Test with a short trailer. Finish by launching Netflix and selecting content from the chosen region. Make sure subtitles and quality are as expected. If you hit the proxy error or content still appears local, switch to a different city server or enable obfuscation/stealth in the VPN app, because Netflix may block specific IP ranges. If problems persist, restart your iPhone, update apps, and contact VPN support with your connection log. They can provide specific servers that consistently work. One key tip: always test playback after each change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.